A quiet journey begins. Tonight, imagine yourself drifting gently through space, far beyond Earth, beyond the Moon, and beyond the planets of our solar system. There is no rush, no destination to reach. You simply float in silence beneath the soft glow of countless stars. Above and below you stretches the Milky Way Galaxy, the vast cosmic home that contains our Sun and billions of other stars. Fact 1. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, meaning it has a central bar-shaped region of stars surrounded by graceful spiral arms. As you drift closer, the galaxy appears like a giant pinwheel made of starlight. Its arms curve slowly through the darkness, carrying clouds of gas, dust, and newborn stars. Fact 2. The Milky Way is estimated to be around 13.6 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. For billions of years, stars have been born, lived, and faded away within this great galactic city. Yet, from your peaceful viewpoint, everything seems timeless. The stars shine softly, like distant lanterns floating on a cosmic ocean, the size of our galactic home. You continue your journey, moving farther outward until the full scale of the Milky Way begins to reveal itself. Fact 3. The Milky Way measures approximately 100,000 light-years across. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. Since light moves incredibly fast, this means our galaxy is unimaginably large. Imagine trying to cross it from one side to the other. Even traveling at the speed of light, the journey would take 100,000 years. Fact 4. The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Every tiny point of light you see may be a sun, with its own planets and moons. Some stars glow blue and hot. Others shine with a gentle golden light. Many are accompanied by worlds that no one has ever seen. As you drift among them, the galaxy feels less like a collection of stars and more like a vast celestial forest, stretching endlessly into the night. Finding our place. Far away in one of the galaxy's spiral arms, a familiar yellow star quietly shines. That star is our Sun. Fact 5. The solar system is located in a region called the Orion Arm, a smaller spiral arm of the Milky Way. From Earth, we often imagine ourselves at the center of things. Yet in reality, our solar system occupies a peaceful suburban neighborhood far from the galaxy's crowded center. Fact 6. The Sun is about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. This distance is fortunate. The center of the galaxy is far more crowded and energetic. Here, in our quiet corner, stars are spaced comfortably apart, allowing planets like Earth to orbit peacefully for billions of years. As you float beside our familiar Sun, it appears as just one star among billions. Yet it remains the source of every sunrise ever seen on Earth. The Great Galactic Rotation. Everything within the Milky Way is moving. Stars orbit, gas clouds drift, Entire star systems travel around the galactic center. Fact 7. The Sun travels around the center of the Milky Way at roughly 828,000 kilometers per hour. Even at this astonishing speed, the journey is enormous. Fact 8. It takes the Sun about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galaxy. This period is known as a galactic year. When dinosaurs first appeared on Earth, the solar system occupied a different position within the Milky Way. As you continue drifting through space, you notice the galaxy rotating slowly, almost gracefully, like a giant cosmic carousel turning through the darkness. Clouds of stars and dust. Leaving the center behind, you drift through immense clouds of gas and dust. These are stellar nurseries. Fact 11. New stars are constantly being born within giant molecular clouds throughout the Milky Way. Inside these cold regions, gravity slowly gathers gas together until new stars ignite. Fact 12. The Milky Way forms several new stars every year. Tiny points of light appear within the clouds, gradually growing brighter as they begin their long cosmic lives. Some may one day host planets. Others may illuminate entirely new regions of the galaxy. Watching them emerge feels like witnessing cosmic dawn again and again. The galaxy's invisible mystery. As you float farther outward, the visible stars begin to thin. Yet astronomers have discovered something remarkable. Fact 13. Most of the Milky Way's mass is thought to consist of dark matter. Dark matter cannot be seen directly. It emits no light. Still, its gravity influences the motion of stars and galaxies. Fact 14. The Milky Way is surrounded by a massive halo of dark matter, extending far beyond its visible disk. Imagine an invisible structure enveloping the entire galaxy, like a giant cosmic cocoon. Though unseen, it helps hold the galaxy together. The mystery remains one of astronomy's greatest puzzles. The Milky Way is not alone. Around it orbit many smaller galaxies. Fact 15. More than 50 known satellite galaxies travel around the Milky Way. These companions have accompanied our galaxy for billions of years. Among them are the beautiful Large Magellanic Cloud and Small Magellanic Cloud. Fact 16. The Milky Way is part of a larger collection called the Local Group. Together, these galaxies drift through intergalactic space, bound by gravity. The universe suddenly feels less empty and more like a neighborhood of distant island universes. A distant meeting. Billions of years pass in the imagination of your journey. Far away, another great spiral galaxy slowly approaches. Fact 17. The Milky Way is moving toward the Andromeda Galaxy. The approach is incredibly slow. Fact 18. Scientists expect the Milky Way and Andromeda to merge in roughly 4 to 5 billion years. When this happens, stars will mostly pass by one another because space is so vast. Instead of a violent collision, it will resemble two immense swarms of stars gracefully blending together. The future galaxy may shine with even greater brilliance than either galaxy does today. Looking up from Earth. Your journey now returns toward Earth. The familiar blue world appears once more. From a dark location on a clear night, the Milky Way stretches across the sky like a luminous river. Fact 19. The pale band visible in the night sky is the disk of our own galaxy viewed from inside it. Generations of people have looked upward and wondered about that glowing path. Ancient travelers, storytellers, and astronomers all gazed upon the same celestial light. Fact 20. Every star visible to the naked eye belongs to the Milky Way Galaxy. As you settle gently back onto Earth, the galaxy no longer feels distant. It is your cosmic home, a vast spiral city of stars, a place billions of years old, a place filled with mysteries, beauty, and endless possibilities. And tonight, while the world sleeps, the Milky Way continues its quiet journey through the universe, carrying our sun, our planet, and all of us along for the ride beneath the eternal stars.